Welcome to Quick Learning. Today we are going to learn a very exciting topic that is related to C++ language. In these lectures we will be trying to understand how and what are the basics of C++ language are. From today we will be starting from a very important topic, that is arrays. What are arrays in C++, how these are used, and how we can use it, and what are the benefits of its usage in our any C++ program. So you can see it's a data that is from 11 to 99, that is placed in different rows and columns. So what arrays do, unlike other variables, arrays can hold multiple values simultaneously in it. So one array can hold hundreds of values in it simultaneously. So for example, an integer, it will be in the form of 1 2 3 4 5. For the float type of number, this will be 56.981, and for any character it will be like a. So this is the particular uh, direction or the visualization of an array that is in this form, and each value is stored in these elements. Like the first number will be saved in the first element, the other will be saved in second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on and so forth. You can save different numbers in these elements of the array. So similarly, for 25 number of elements you will be using 1 byte, and the size of array will be 25 bytes. Similarly, for the type of float type, it will be using 4 bytes. For integer, it will be using 4 bytes. For double type of numbers, it will be using 8 bytes. So we will be showing you a simple program how arrays will work. So in this program, the program will ask from you how many hours 6 persons have worked in 1 week. So what is, it starts from void main, enter the hours worked by 6 employees, hours 1 0 1 2 3 etc. So when the program will run, it will ask from you that what are the number of hours a person have worked. 6 persons have worked. You will enter the hours six times, and then at the end it will display all the hours. So you will enter 20 12 40 30 30 15, press enter, and then it will display that the hours you entered are 20 12 40 30 30 15, because this is the text, same text that you have entered here in count. So this will be displayed as it is. Similarly, so for an array, these are the subscripts of an array, and these values are saved in these subscripts of this particular array. Similarly, another program, it is same asking for you from you that how many hours 6 employees have worked in 1 day. So in this type, we are defining it a little different way. We will use a for loop that will run until 6 number. It will run from 0 to 5, and it will keep on asking, and then it will display us after that in the same manner that we have entered. So the output will be that it will keep on asking us, we will keep on entering, and at the end it will show us the hours we have entered are 20 12 40 30 30 50. Okay, so another type we can just pass through it. This is the same type of example in which it will ask us in the proper textual form, employee 1 2 3 4 5. We will write 20, we will press enter, then we will write another number, then we will press enter, and so on and so forth. And after the end of the loop, it will display us all the values that we have entered. So in C++, it gives us the freedom of storing the data past an array's boundaries. So there are no bounds in the arrays. like for how much data you can save in an array. So I hope up till this slide, this session was very useful, in which we have tried to learn how and what is an array and how these arrays work and what type of data and how the data is saved in these arrays. We will meet in our next lecture and we will continue this arrays section. Up till then, bye bye.